Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing great. So guys, this working video I'm showing the beautiful Angular 21 admin dashboards demo as well. And friends, before showing you working demos, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So we see the beautiful first default CRM demo. See the beautiful stat section, the top section, notification, dark and light view toggle, notifications and messages as well. See the beautiful content, great chart, see projects, customer transactions, upcoming appointments, notifications, active members, and sales statistics, see, and sales by product as well. Scroll to top and see next is the project dashboard. See the project dashboard, see the project status, recent projects, total project, project overview, client activity, website design, social pass, podcast, crypto dashboard, and today tasks, running events, and online course timeline. And next, e-commerce dashboard. See friends, see, just beautiful, great. Recent orders, sales overview, recent customers, revenue by category, user by continent, and see the beautiful over fit and fly and top seller of the month. And friends, now before showing the last education dashboard, I must say if you will have any kind of queries, session requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. This is my blog, richpost.com. See, here's contact us page. In this page, you'll get my email ID, WhatsApp number, and my Upwork ID as well. And guys, are also a full-time freelance. You can hire me for your services, and on my blog, you will get multiple free things, or I can say all the free things for Angular, React.js, Next.js, and so on. See, Angular e-commerce templates, admin dashboard, and course images as well. So, guys, now back to dashboard. And last but not the least, education. See, education dashboard. See, friends, total students, total teachers, events, invoice status, and studies statistics. See, scroll down, assignments, live meetings, quit, actively hours, Android Classic, feature courses, and monthly attendance report and schedules. So guys, these are the four basic dashboard in Level 21. And friends, after it I will come with more stuff, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And in the end, I must say few things. Please support me, subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.